Everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection for our customer's 1966 Mark IV Cobra. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We started with a brand new dart block, all forged steel internals. Aluminum heads are on there, roller rock arms fully adjusted and set, Cobra valve covers and a matching Cobra air cleaner. We have the aluminum intake manifold, Holley Sniper fuel injection on there, throttle return spring and bracket, MSD ignition coil, distributor set in place. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes at the engine factory. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. On the Holley Sniper fuel injection, the menu screen will be completely dialed in, all the settings set, plug and play, ready to go. Go over some other features we put on here. Oil pressure extensions installed. Customer wanted the low profile Cant Racing oil pan for the FFR Cobra. We put that on there for him. Chrome dipstick and tube. You have the brass freeze plugs in there. QuickTime bell housing for the customer's TKX transmission. Proper alignment ring installed. Clutch fork, throwout bearing. Clutch is all installed. 26 spline clutch. All set. High torque mini starter. Manifold vacuum fittings installed. Russell heavy duty fuel line. AN fittings. PCV valve. All the ventilation lines all hooked up. It's real nice. This is the proper pulley kit for the FFR Mark IV Cobra. High mount alternator. 140 amp alternator, one wire hookup right there. You have the high flow aluminum water pump, power steering pumps installed, high up again for the Mark IV Cobra. Thermostat housings installed, all set. So this way you get it when you buy an engine from Engine Factory, complete, turnkey, ready to go, right out of the crate. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554. Or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.